Hello, and welcome back to my podcast. Today, I want to talk about a fun and effective way to learn English: playing video games. Now, I know what you might be thinking: video games aren't exactly known for being educational. But hear me out, playing games in English can actually be a great way to improve your language skills. First of all, playing games in English will expose you to a lot of different vocabulary and grammar structures. You'll be reading and hearing English constantly, which will help you develop your listening and reading skills. And since games often have a lot of text and dialogue, you'll have plenty of opportunities to practice your reading comprehension. But it's not just about the language itself. Playing games in English can also be a lot of fun. When you're enjoying yourself, you're more likely to stay engaged and motivated, which can be key to making progress in your language learning. Another great thing about playing games in English is that you can choose games that match your interests and skill level. Whether you're into puzzle games, first-person shooters, or role-playing games, there's something out there for everyone. And as you get better at the game, you'll also be improving your English skills. Of course, it's important to note that video games shouldn't be your only method of learning English. It's still important to practice your speaking skills, whether that's through conversations with native speakers or language exchange programs. But incorporating games into your language learning routine can be a fun and effective way to supplement your other study methods. So if you're looking for a fun and engaging way to improve your English skills, consider giving video games a try. Who knows, you might just discover a new hobby while you're at it.